Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your access token and placing it in your environment so requests authenticate automatically. Once done, install the Hugging Face CLI or the Python client with pip to get helper commands. You will also pick a model ID now, because subsequent steps depend on model capabilities and input shape. Make sure to use a token with appropriate scopes. If you skip that, calls will fail. Now you have credentials, tools, and a model target. Move to composing requests. You will now form the actual API call. In Python, instantiate the inference client or a pipeline and pass the model ID. Once created, format your payload to match the model. Plain text for text models, byte arrays for audio or tokenized objects when required. Make sure to set content type and include your bearer token, then choose sync for immediate responses or async for long jobs. If batching, send arrays of inputs and handle partial failures in your loop. You finish by parsing the model response and converting it into usable data. Decode tokens to text, normalize probabilities, or save predictions. Once done, integrate retry logic and rate limit handling so transient errors don't break your flow. Exponential backoff prevents hammering the API. Make sure to validate inputs and log both successful outputs and error payloads. If things go wrong, check token scope, model ID, and quota, rotating tokens, or requesting higher quota.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.